Student, in this question we have to solve for x. So in numerator there is one mod and in denominator there is second mod. So to find x, first of all we have to remove mod. So let's start solving this question. So first of all we have to remove modular sign. So I am going to take cases, and case 1 is when x minus 2 is greater than 0, or also we can say when x is greater than 2. Okay, so at this point we can also include equals to. Okay, in modulus we can take equals to. Okay, so now if we take any number greater than 2, both will be same and numerator will be x minus 3 upon x minus 4 less than equals to 0. Okay, less than equals to 4 less than equals to 0. Now I am going to draw a number line. Okay, minus infinity to infinity, and this is 3, and I'm going to take 4. So any number greater than 4, if you will take, then this statement is going to be false, because any number greater than 4 minus 3 is positive, and any number greater than 4 minus 4 is positive, and positive upon positive is positive, and positive less than 0. No, this is false. So this part is false for this statement or equation. And between 3 to 4, if we take any number between 3 to 4, numerator will be positive and denominator will be negative, and negative is less than 0. This is true reason. And when x is less than 3, then above will be negative and denominator also be negative. So negative upon negative is positive. So this statement is false. So from here, the only region satisfies is 3 to 4. Now I am going to check the border point. So if we take 3 and we put this in this equation or in equality, 3 minus 3 will become 0 and 3 minus 4 will become minus 1. So 0 upon minus 1 is 0 and 0 less than equals to 0 is true. So 3 will be included for this statement, for this inequality. And 4, at 4 denominator will become 0. So 4 is not included. So till now the answer is 3 to 4. But at last, after solving modulus, we must compare our answer with the case, whether this answer satisfies our case or not, because we have written this equation for this case when x is greater than equals to 2. So answer should also be greater than or equals to 2. So here you can see that 3 to 4 is greater than equals to 2. So this is answer in this case 1. Now I am going to take case 2. Okay. Case 2. And case 2 is when x minus 2 is less than 0. So when x minus 2 is less than 0, then terms inside both modulus will be negative. So we open both modulus with negative sign like this: minus x minus 2 minus 1 upon minus x minus 2 minus 2 is less than equals to 0. So it will become minus x plus 1 upon, okay, 2 minus 2 is 0. So this will become minus x is less than equals to 0. Okay, so if we take negative sign from numerator and denominator both, so it will become x minus 1 upon x is less than equals to 0. Now I am going to draw a number line for this inequality and solve this inequality. So from above numerator we'll get number 1 and from denominator we'll get 0. Okay, so any number greater than 1, this statement is going to be false. Okay, any number greater than 1, this statement is going to be false. So any number greater than 1, numerator will be positive, denominator will be positive, positive upon positive will be positive, and positive is less than equals to 0. This is false. Okay, in between 0 and 1, in between 0 and 1, above is negative and denominator is positive. So negative upon positive is negative, and negative is less than equals to 0. This is true. Okay, and any number less than 0, numerator will be negative and denominator will be negative, and negative upon negative is positive. So for any number in this region, this inequality is false. Okay, now I am going to check the border point. So we can't take 0 because x is in denominator. If we put 0 at place of x, then this will tend to minus infinity. Okay, so at 0, this is open bracket, and at 1, this is going to be closed bracket, because at 1, this will become 0, numerator will be 0 and denominator will be 1. So 0 upon 1 will be 0, and 0 less than equals to 0 is true. So here, answer is open bracket 0 to 1. Now, as we know that if we solve any question in cases, then we need to compare answer with the case. So here case is x minus 2 is less than 0. It also says that x is less than 2. So answer should be less than 2. And you can see that 0 to 1, every number between 0 to 1 is less than 2. So this is our another answer. So answer is open 0 to 1, close, union, close, 3 to 4, open. And this is our final answer. Thank you.